Hi guys, welcome to another video from Bellydance with Tahira series. Today we will be working on one of the traveling steps, and this step originates in classical dance, but oriental dance. It doesn't look exactly the same, although let's say that the basic move stays the same, but in fact it sometimes looks totally different. And this step is pas de bourree, and we will move from right to left and from left to right, starting with the left diagonal. So our right leg is free, and we do cross, then we do a step, then we do a cross in the back, and then we finish in a position with our left leg on our toe. And the same exactly goes to the right side. So cross, step, cross, position, cross, step, cross, position, cross, step, cross, position, cross, step, cross, position, cross, step, cross, position. And a very nice thing to add to the pas de bourree step, and also very common, is a hip drop. So we can do 4 hip drops because the step is also on the count of 4. So 4 hip drops and 4 steps, so 1 pas de bourree step. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we can also add really nice and also very common hands. We will cross them, taking them towards ourselves, and then open. Cross and open, cross and open. So when we cross the leg, we also cross the hands. Cross and open. Cross and open. Cross and open. Cross and open. And now let's try to do it together with hip drops. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And this is how you do a pas de bourree step. Let me know in the comments down below if you managed to do the pas de bourree step, or if you have any more questions, also leave a comment. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on bell notifications to be notified about all new videos on my channel. Thank you very much for your time, and I'll see you next week. Bye!